Welcome back. Today, we discuss the impact of the war in the Middle East on the stock market. Please watch to the end for two stocks we suggest you should keep an eye on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. In a stunning twist of events, Israel has dropped the bombshell that they're going to war with Hamas after a cheeky little attack on their turf. It's one of those situations that leaves you simultaneously shocked and not at all surprised. Shocking because it's basically the nightmare scenario for the entire Middle East. A full-blown war that's threatening to turn the whole region into a giant sandcastle battlefield. And to top it off, there's the nagging possibility of other global powers jumping into this chaotic sandbox, taking us from shocking to downright terrifying. But honestly, is anyone really surprised? I mean, this is the Middle East we're talking about, a place that's been throwing shade at each other for thousands of years. Extremists over there seem to have a perennial membership in the Let's Resolve Everything with Violence Club, and they've got a scorecard that's older than your grandma's prized collection of porcelain dolls. Much like Russia versus the Ukraine, we're facing another round of who can cause more chaos in the Middle East. And sure, it's a tragedy in every sense, but economically speaking, it's like the world's most boring soap opera rerun. Sure, there's always a risk of things spiraling out of control when weapons are involved, but thanks to modern remote warfare and plausible deniability, World War III isn't exactly knocking on our door. The Middle East has been brewing trouble like a mischievous cauldron for ages. This latest episode will likely remain a regional kerfuffle, much like the never-ending drama in Ukraine. And guess what? It's not going to make a dent in the US or global economies. Remember the good old days when the mere mention of Middle East conflict could send oil prices sky high? Yeah, not so much anymore. We've got alternative fuels stealing the limelight, and the US has tapped into so much domestic energy that the Middle East is feeling pretty lonely. So, Israel declared war, and it's nerve-wracking, especially since we've gotten used to the idea of Israel and some of its neighbors sharing the same backyard without too much bickering. But here's the scoop. Logic and recent history suggest that this spat will stay local. As we're already seeing, traders will soon go back to discussing the Fed and interest rates. The war might cause a bit of turbulence, but sad as it is in so many ways, the Hamas-Israel showdown isn't a reason to sell your stocks. So hold on to your hats, folks, and let's see how this geopolitical circus unfolds. Keep an eye out on these two stocks for increased volatility. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, which is an American aerospace, arms, defense, information security, and technology corporation with worldwide interests. And Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, which is an American multinational automotive and clean energy company. Thanks for watching. Please follow, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.